Welcome, dear students. I hope you are fine and doing well at home. Today we are going to discuss a very significant class 9 poetry, The Road Not Taken, written by Robert Frost. So before proceeding, I would like to brief you about Robert Frost. Robert Frost was an American poet, and he is the only poet who has won Pulitzer Prize for Poetry 4 times. He has written many significant works, poems, prose, plays and letters. Let us see his poetry. He says, "Two roads diverge in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveller long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could to where it bent in the undergrowth." Now you can see I have highlighted some words, so I'll be sharing the meanings also of these words in this presentation. Also this presentation I'm going to give it to you so that you can revise it over and over. Here the poet says that two roads, he has come towards a wood. Wood is a jungle, a forest, a yellow color forest. That means it is the season of autumn. So poet is saying that it is the autumn season and there are two roads which are diverging. He is in the middle of a fork in a road, and he is very sorry because he wanted to go on both the ways but he could not travel. In the third line you see he says, "And be one traveler long I stood, and looked down as one as far as I could." So the whole poetry you see has been rhymed properly. To where it bent in the undergrowth. Undergrowth meaning I have shared further. Undergrowth means where as far as he could see. So he was trying to make an idea of what things will follow in the future. So you see this poetry is significant because it talks about future. Because you are in class 9, once you will be in class 10, you will make a significant decision for your career in class 11. If you opt for commerce, you cannot come back for science, and vice versa. There are certain choices we make in life where we are not able to come back. But when we are deciding, we are looking on a number of parameters. So here the poet talks about those things only. He says that he was standing in the middle of a path where he has to choose, where he has to go, and he is confused. In the second paragraph it says, "Then took the other as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as far that the passing there had warned them really about the same." Now you see there are certain figure of speeches used here which I will be discussing once the summary is over. The poet says, "Then took the other," he has taken one of the path and he says that it was a fair path. Having perhaps the better claim, he says that whatever he has done is a better claim because it was grassy. The path was not travelled by many people. So Robert Frost in this poetry has chosen what not many people have chosen, and wanted wear means that path wanted wear and tear. That path wanted to be walked over. He thought of exploring something adventurous. Though as far as the passing